All right, this is the big slice of breaking news. The Delhi Chief Minister has been granted bail by the Supreme Court. A historic decision by the Supreme Court as we speak. Also setting the tone for politics as it will play out in both Delhi and Haryana. They've delivered their verdict. The Delhi Chief Minister is going to be walking out. We'll just wait for our reporters to join us. He's been granted bail on a bond of 10 lakh rupees. This is big news for the Aam Aadmi Party. It's news they've been waiting for months now. Remember, their party had seen pretty much a crippling of the internal structure when they'd seen several key leaders behind bars. All of that reversed within the span of just the last few months. Manish Sisodia first. Now, as you can see, Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, granted bail. We're now just sharing this news with you on your screens right now. The Supreme Court has made this decision. Now, we are receiving more input as we speak. We're just going to wait for reporters to join us so they can bring us these details because it is taking place in this very moment, the input that we're getting. Our colleague Pallavi joins us right now to just shed light. Pallavi, huge news for the Aam Aadmi Party as we speak. The Chief Minister granted bail. Certain conditions though. Just tell us what we know in terms of details right now.
Well, Joya, I'm just going to wait. Ananya Bhatnagar, who actually is keeping a complete track on the developments which is taking place inside the court, and what he's telling us, of course, that more and more updates are coming in because a judgment is now being pronounced. But clearly, I'm going by the information what Ananya has been putting out, that Arvind Kejriwal, of course, that's the big news. He's been granted bail by the Supreme Court on a bail bond of 10 lakhs. Of course, the rider over here is that he's not going to be making any comments about the case at all, which means if he tries to seek any kind of political dividend or a sympathy factor, that's certainly not going to be allowed as far as Jace is concerned. He's also talking about the Justice Bhuiyan concurs on the grant of bail. So there is a split verdict which Ananya had also been speaking about. That's the kind of information that we are getting in from then again the quoting the Supreme Court. The appellant's arrest does not suffer from illegality on bail. We have discussed briefly. Basic principle is the issue of liberty integral to the sensitized judicial process. Prolonged incarceration amounts to unjust deprivation of liberty. That's what the observation was done inside the Supreme Court, even as the big news came in of granting of bail to Arvind Kejriwal.
Okay, we are receiving more inputs as you speak, Pallavi. Thank you for clarifying that for us, bringing us the details. That's our colleague Pallavi Ghosh joining us right now. Our colleague Ananya Bhatnagar. We have multiple colleagues tracking this story. Our colleague Shireen from outside Manish Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister's house. Our colleague Ananya Bhatnagar joining us from outside the Supreme Court. Big relief granted, as we're telling you, for the Chief Minister. There are, as we're already telling you, certain conditions on that. We'll just go back to our colleague Pallavi to understand a little bit more. We'll also have, as I said again, our colleague Ananya Bhatnagar, who is tracking these details. He'll tell us in just a second the nuances of the judgment as they are coming in. Because remember, as we told you earlier, this is a split verdict. We knew already that there are two different judgments on this matter. One by Justice Ujjal Bhuiyan, as we're sharing with you, the other by Justice Kant. Let's go back to our colleague Pallavi to understand a little bit more in terms of the details, the initial details that we're getting in on this. But big news for the Aam Aadmi Party, but also the politics of Delhi. The politics we'll see playing out through the day. Of course, elections in Haryana on the horizon. Let's go back to our colleague Pallavi to speak about exactly that. Pallavi, right at the start of this show, we'd asked you about the political implications. Of course, at that point, we hadn't known what this could mean. Now, until we wait for Ananya and Pallavi, we wait for the final legal details. Just tell us what we can already say about the political implications that will play out.
Okay, one quick line I'm just going to add on, which Ananya, of course, is giving us to us as he's tracking those developments. It's clearly two different points of view inside the court, where Justice Bhuiyan is saying that agencies cannot oppose bail only on the ground that he's giving evasive replies. Now, this is something which exactly what Aam Aadmi Party has also been saying about that. One, he's not been giving evasive replies. Second, you cannot hold Arvind Kejriwal responsible for the excise policy. It was actually a good policy, but there was needless politics which was done over it, and bail is a matter of right. And while we are going to wait for Ananya to join me shortly, you're asking me of the political ramifications. Well, the political ramifications are going to be huge. We don't even have to, kind of underestimate the kind of euphoria you're going to see within the cadre of the Aam Aadmi Party. Their big person, the high profile, the Delhi Chief Minister is going to be out on jail. So I guess it's going to be evening by the time he actually is come after the legal formalities are completed. Obviously, a very very grand welcome is going to be planned, and politically speaking, the party is going to take full advantage of it. It's not just about Haryana elections. It's not going to be just about the upcoming Delhi elections. It's going to be on the larger issue about how there was a political witch hunt. And I think it's not just AAP. It's going to be welcomed by even the Congress and the other India bloc partners on the grounds that there you have it. We deserve bail. You are deliberately keeping us behind bars, and they are going to insinuate that the BJP or the central government has a hand behind this.
Huge news for the Aam Aadmi Party. Pallavi, stay with us. Let's go back to our colleague Shireen. She's joining us from live outside the Deputy Chief Minister's house. We'll also see senior leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party putting out their statements in the next few moments. Shireen has been outside the Deputy Chief Minister's house for a while now. She's been bringing us updates. Shireen, the mood there.
Well, more and more MLAs and leaders are in fact coming in at the residence of Manish Sisodia. Here is where all the leaders will in fact be meeting. Now that the verdict has been announced and the bail has been given to Arvind Kejriwal, of course there is going to be a lot of celebration. The entire plan will be chalked out. When, of course, the formalities and all will take few more hours. So whether we'll get to know whether he'll be walking out of the prison today evening or will it be tomorrow. And accordingly, the plans will be set as far as the celebrations are concerned. Now, this is going to be very crucial for the Aam Aadmi Party, considering how they have not done well in the Lok Sabha election. This could have a much impact when it comes to the upcoming Delhi election and as well as the Haryana election. And that is where the Aam Aadmi Party believe that they are going to chalk out a very detailed plan, a campaign trail for Arvind Kejriwal to garner as much as support that he can on ground, because from day one the Aam Aadmi Party has been maintaining that this is nothing but political vendetta. All those who have been arrested by the ED or the CBI in the excise policy case have almost all of them, because 18 of them were arrested and 14 of them are out on bail. So there was no much evidence or any such content on basis of which Arvind Kejriwal could in fact be in the custody of the agencies, is what the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are claiming. So once again, I'll just show you, there are media personnel who are just waiting outside the residence of Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, and moments from now, more and more leaders will in fact be coming in. That you can see there are celebration, there is sweets that are being distributed. These are the live visuals of how there are celebration that is going to begin now. These are the staff at Manish Sisodia's residence who have come out with sweets and distributing among the supporters who have gathered here. Huge day for the Aam Aadmi Party, considering how Arvind Kejriwal since March has been in custody of the agencies, and only the brief bit of time he walked out of prison for campaigning in Lok Sabha. He campaigned in the national capital, but that didn't have much impact, because when he was out, the entire episode of Sati Maliwal happened, where she was assaulted by Arvind Kejriwal's staff, and we have seen the kind of ramification it had in Delhi election as well. All the 7 seats were won by the Bharatiya Janata Party, but this time it seems there is going to be a different, different scenario, because in Haryana election there is no alliance between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party. I'll try to speak to the workers over here who have gathered.
आंखें मतलब खुशी की इतनी थी कि अभी सामने वो आ भी नहीं पा रहे।